Odoo POS tutorial, how to use Odoo POS for beginners. So first is first, if you want to go to Odoo, you just have to go to odoo.com and it will take you directly to their homepage. Now, what is this Odoo POS? So Odoo POS is a part of the Odoo ERP system, a flexible and open source platform that integrates sales, inventory, accounting, and more. So it is more designed for retail stores, restaurants, cafes, and service providers. Now, the key benefits: runs online and offline, fully integrated with inventory and CRM, customizable for your unique needs, modern, clean interface that is easy to use. So these are the platforms and applications that you can see here and you can start using here in Odoo. So if you want to try this one, you just have to tap on or click this try it for free. And basically, you can create an account here in Odoo, but this one is just for free trial. So first, you can choose an application, website. If you want to create an account on sales, finance, so you just have to click from any of the option right here. So again, you can create an account, but this one is for free trial. And if you want to continue or proceed with your account, you need to upgrade or purchase a plan here in Odoo. But of course, no need to worry because this is indeed worth your time and your money. So these are the features and the platforms or tools that you can unlock, that you can use if you want to upgrade your plan here in Odoo. Let's just say you want to use the CRM tool here on your Odoo. So you just have to click, and all you have to do is to enter your information here, such as your name, of course, your address, your number. It's very important. And then get started. Welcome to Odoo. This is the interface, and here you can see different tools that you can use, and all you have to do is to click that. Now, you need to go to your email address and activate this in order for you to fully use the free trial version of your Odoo. You can invite your team members right here, or you can skip this part and just do that one later. So basically, you can pick from any of the tools right here and try this one out. All you have to do is to click. You can create a new account. You can create new product right here, organized by category. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. For example, if you want to use the Odoo calendar, well, the Odoo Calendar application offers a powerful integrated solution for managing schedules, meetings, and tasks, especially valuable for business looking for streamlined operations with the Odoo system. So the advantages include seamless integration with Odoo application. It can sync CRM, sales, projects, employees, and more. So you can also create or set a meeting right here. And there are a lot of things that you can do. You can sync your Google Calendar, keep your team and personal schedule aligned even outside of Odoo. Easy meeting scheduling, like what I'm showing you right now. Schedule one-time or recurring meetings. And you can also invite other people here. So basically, send automatic email notifications and reminders. You can also do a smart activity planning here and automatic reminders and alerts. Also, apart from that, you can do a team collaboration in shared calendars, custom views and filters, access control, and permissions. So these are the advantages if you use this Odoo calendar compared to other calendar platforms. Now, aside from calendar here in Odoo, you can also try to use the Odoo CRM. So this one is a customer relation or relationship management. Module is a powerful, user-friendly tool designed to help businesses manage leads, track opportunities, and close deals faster, all within the integrated Odoo environment. So the key features of Odoo CRM includes lead and opportunity management, sales pipeline with drag and drop, activity scheduling and reminders, email integration and communication, reports and dashboard, team collaboration, website and marketing integration, smart predictions. Also, Odoo has this project feature where you can do project and task management. Here you can create and organize multiple projects, add tasks and subtasks with descriptions, deadline, and priorities, assign tasks to team members or departments. You can also create here Kanban view, Gantt chart and calendar view, time tracking, team collaboration, reporting and analytics, document management, and customer portal access. So this is what it looks like, and feel free to create or add something here. Now Odoo has this surveys tool right here. So here you can create easy survey builder, drag and drop interface for building surveys. You can choose from multiple questions like multiple choice, matrix, free text, numerical input, date selection, and rating stars or smileys. You can also do conditional logic here, multiple distribution options, real-time reporting and analytics, test mode, and scoring. So there are a lot of things that you can do here on the survey platform. Now talking about the inventory. So key features of Odoo inventory, multi-warehouse management. So it can manage multiple warehouses and location. All you have to do is to tap on the new button right here. So you can track stock movements between locations, handle cross-docking and drop shipping. You can also track product availability and forecast stock needs, set minimum and maximum stock levels, automatically create procurement orders when stock runs low, shipping and delivery integration, batch and serial number tracking, expiration date tracking, inventory adjustments, and audits. So there's a lot of things that you can do here on the inventory section or feature of Odoo. All you have to do is to create new and then add some information here. Don't worry, this one is a user, or it has user-friendly interface. Okay, so these are the features that you can use here in Odoo. Lastly is the barcode feature. So the barcode in Odoo is designed to speed up and simplify inventory, warehouse, and retail operations by using barcodes, scanning, and technology. Okay, so these are the other features that you can install and use here in Odoo. All you have to do is to select and then install and use it within the Odoo platform or tool, and you can also sync your other application right here. So this is how easy it is to use this Odoo. There are a lot of things that you can do, and these are indeed very helpful for your business, or even if you are just studying, or let's just say if you are running a system management. So also they have this signature feature here in Odoo, which is indeed a very important and very beneficial, especially if you want to do the signature online. So basically you can use this one. So these are just the basic information and overview of how to use this Odoo, especially for beginners. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.